Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. On this channel, you're pretty much going to be getting, restaurant quality recipes. With that being said, in this video, I'm making for you a salmon piccata recipe right after this. All right, for the ingredients, you're going to need a nice salmon fillet. You're going to need heavy cream, fresh lemon, capers, minced garlic, minced shallots, lemon pepper seasoning, salt and pepper, cooking oil of your choice, white wine, and unsalted butter. All right, in a hot pan, you want to add your oil. Alright, so I'm going with my salmon skin side down. Cooking the salmon with the skin on, it just adds more flavor. Alright, and now I'm seasoning with the lemon pepper seasoning right on top of the flesh. So I was just holding down the fish just to get a nice sear, nice crust on that skin. So once you got a nice sear on the flesh side, I'm just going to remove it from that pan, put it in another pan, and just finish it in the oven just to cook the inside. Alright, so reheat your pan, throw in some butter, throw in your minced garlic. Throw in your minced shallots. And once you kind of get the aroma of the garlic and the shallots, then you know it's ready. So your onions pretty much want to be a little bit translucent. Now you're just going to deglaze the pan with some white wine. And now I'm going in with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And my caper. And after the white wine and lemon juice reduced by half a little bit, I added my heavy cream. Just going to whisk that in. Add in some fresh cracked black pepper. Just a little bit of dry parsley flakes. I also added some lemon pepper to the sauce and some kosher salt. So I'm going to let that reduce down till it starts thickening it up. As you can see, I'm stirring it every now and then. And so what you wanted to do is you wanted to reduce to the point where it thickens on its own a little bit. So I'm not going to add any type of roux or anything to it. I'm just going to let the heat thicken it up just by reducing it down. Alright, at this point, I turned off the flame, and I'm just going to add in some unsalted butter. And then I'm just going to vigorously stir that into the sauce. And that's going to add a nice richness, a nice creaminess, and it's going to marry that butter flavor into the sauce. And that's what you're looking for. Alright, so my salmon, I'm taking that out the oven. It was only in there maybe like 7 minutes or so. Right here as a bonus, I'm just going to throw some green beans in my cast iron pan and saute those up for you. I'm going to serve that with the salmon. Just going in with a little bit of minced garlic, And I'm just gonna do salt and pepper, and that's it. Alright, I got my green beans all sauteed, so I'm just gonna throw them on the plate. As you can see, I have a little bit of a couple of lemon wheels for garnish. And this is a healthy, it's a health. I'm trying to keep it healthy, so I am using cream and butter, but I'm not going to do a starch with this. So I'm just going to do salmon and the green beans. And just a few diced Roma tomatoes just for color, right on top and right on the plate. All right, so that's pretty much it. Salmon piccata. I hope you enjoy watching me make this recipe. Pretty simple if you just follow what I'm doing. And just make sure you subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and also check out some of the other videos on my channel. Check me out on Facebook. You can check me out on Instagram. God bless. Peace.